Hello guys, today we'll study chapter 4 metals and non-metals. So we all know what are metals. Metals are material which is very hard, shiny and good conductors of heat and electricity. So all these are the properties from which we can identify what is a metal. And non-metals are the materials which are dull, poor conductors and are not very hard. These are the properties of non-metals. So all this we have read are the physical properties of metals and non-metals. There are more such physical properties of metals and non-metals. Let's study. So physical properties of metals may first is malleability. So malleability is the property of metal by which they can be beaten into sheets like aluminium. It can be beaten into sheets as aluminium foil is used to wrap food items. This is the physical property of metals called malleability. Second physical properties of metals is that they are the good conductors of heat and electricity. Like copper, iron rod, nail are the good conductors of electricity. Whereas sulfur piece and coal piece are the poor conductors of electricity because they are non-metals. As you can see in this picture, that bulb is glowing because there is an iron nail which can conduct electricity and give it to bulb. Thus the bulb is glowing here. Third physical property of metals is ductility, as this is the property in which metal can be drawn into wires. Examples: copper wires, aluminium wires. But non-metals have not this property. As you can see in this picture that copper metal is drawn into copper wires. This is the property of metals named ductility. But non-metals cannot be drawn into wires because they have not this property. Fourth physical property of metals is sonorous. So sonorous is the physical properties of metal in which metal produce ringing sound. Example: metallic coin, ringing bells, etc. So this property refers to the sound that metals make when they are hit. So we can say that metals are hard, lustrous, means shiny, malleable, ductile, sonorous and good conductors of heat and electricity. So these are the physical properties of metals. So the material which generally possess these properties are called metals. Example: iron, copper, aluminium, calcium, magnesium, etc. And if we talk about physical properties of non-metals, so they are totally opposite to metals, as they are not very hard, dull, non-malleable, non-ductile, non-sonorous and poor conductors of heat and electricity. Example: coal and sulfur, and carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. So these are non-metals. Here is a yellow box. In this yellow box they are saying that metals like sodium and potassium are soft and can be cut with a knife. It means that all metals are not hard and malleable, as sodium and potassium can be cut with a knife. Mercury is also an example of a metal which is found in liquid state. So this chapter will be continued in part 2. Thanks for watching.